Welcome to All Car Review channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Maserati has chosen the 2018 Goodwood Festival of Speed for the world premiere of the new Levante GTS. The Maserati Levante GTS twin-turbo V8 maintains the V900 architecture of the 3.8-liter unit fitted in the flagship Quattroporte GTS, but has been re-engineered to work with the Q4 intelligent all-wheel drive system and retuned to deliver 550 horsepower, 404 kilowatts, at 6,250 RPMs and 730 Nm peak torque between 2,500 and 5,000 RPMs. Like all Maserati petrol engines, this V8 is assembled by Ferrari in Maranello. Thanks to its remarkable weight-power ratio of 3.9 kg per horsepower, the Maserati Levante GTS needs only 4.2 seconds to reach 100 km per hour, while its top speed is 292 km per hour. Performance figures of the modern supercar disguised in a high-end SUV body. The rigid and perfectly balanced Levante chassis has been tuned to effortlessly handle the immense power of the GTS, providing a driving experience true to the GranTurismo pedigree of this new V8 Maserati of SUVs. The Levante's unmistakable design reached new levels of sportiness in the Trofeo version, and the new GTS has adopted a similar styling theme, which focuses on the lower front fascia and the rear bumper, providing a sporty yet sophisticated presence. Interior designers have come up with elegant ideas to create a distinctive environment within the Maserati Levante GTS cabin, providing it with standard full premium leather or full-grain Pinot Fiori natural leather as an option, sport pedals and Harman Kardon audio system with 14 speakers. Alongside the V8 campaign, the Levante range has inherited new contents, such as the adaptive full LED matrix headlights as an option and standard integrated vehicle control, IVC, which is already available on the Ghibli and Quattroporte sedans. Rather than simply correcting vehicle instability, the IVC function helps prevent it, providing enhanced active safety, improved driving dynamics and an even more exciting performance.